I am Dr.K.Mydeen Fathima Begam, Assistant Professor of Botany, the Standard Fireworks Rajaratnam College for Women, Sivagasi. Today I am going to explain about complete and incomplete linkage. In every human being has different characters. DNA is responsible for that characters. This DNA made of number of chromosomes. These chromosomes consist of pair of genes. These genes made of pair of alleles. During reproduction, the genes separated each other and combined with other genes to express their dominant character. This is the normal case of reproduction. So linkage. Let's see about linkage. Linkage means tendency of genes to retain their original combination during inheritance is called as the linkage. So this phenomenon of linkage was first reported by Batson and Punnett in 1906. T.H. Morgan put forth a theory of linkage and concluded that coupling and repulsion were two phases of single phenomenon of linkage. So types of linkage. Based on the crossing over, linkage may be classified into two types. One is complete linkage, another one is incomplete linkage or a partial linkage. So first one is complete linkage. So complete linkage means complete absence of recombinant type of genes during inheritance due to the absence of crossing over. This type can see in Drosophila of male and female silkworm. Morgan selected the experimental organism as Drosophila male. So it is rare but has been reported in male Drosophila by T.H. Morgan 1990. So this complete linkage can be explained by one experiment. So this experiment, Morgan selected the experimental organism as Drosophila male because it has the property of high reproduction rate, varieties of characters and also short lifespan. In this complete linkage, Morgan explained with male Drosophila, he selected two characters, eye color and shape of wings. In this experiment, two parents are there. One is red eye vestigial wings, another one is purple eye long wings. So here red eye is the dominant character and vestigial wing is the recessive character, and purple eye is the recessive character and long wings are the dominant character. So these two parents crosses between the homozygous parents. So during this crossing, two gametes are formed. So these two gametes are crossed to form a F1 generation. So during this F1 generation, all the offsprings can get a red-eyed long wings. So the red-eyed and long wings both are dominant character. So this crossed dominant character only expressed. Next, go for the test cross. So test cross means it's the crossing of F1 generation and the recessive parent. So the F1 generation offsprings are red-eyed and long wings, and the recessive parents are purple eye and vestigial wings. Here F1 gametes are formed. There are only two types of gametes formed because of their lack of crossing over. Between the gametes, it crossed with two gametes to get a F2 generation. So the F2 generation we can get again two types of characters because here there is no crossing over, but expected ratio is 1:1:1:1 because in the case of normal reproduction F2 generation we can get 4 types of characters, but here we can get only 2 types of characters because there is no crossing over happen here. So this experiment shows complete linkage is happen in this male Drosophila because there is no crossing over is happen. Next is incomplete linkage. So incomplete linkage means here there is some of the crossing over is happen so that we can get some recombinant pair of genes. This is called as the incomplete linkage. Incomplete linkage has been observed in maize, pea, Drosophila, female and several other organisms. So it was reported by Hutchinson. So Hutchinson selected two characters of maize. One is colored full seed, another one is colorless shrunken seeds. So crossed these two homozygous parents, we can get two types of gametes, and these gametes fuse together to form a F1 generation. Here this F1 generation, all the offsprings are colored and full seeds because of the expression of dominant character. Next, go for the test cross. So test cross means crossing of F1 generation and the recessive parent. Here F1 generation crossed with recessive parent means colorless shrunken seeds. So after this crossing we can get four types of characters, because here some crossing over is happen in the percentage of 2. That's why we can get four type characters of offsprings we can get. So this is incomplete linkage, because here some places crossing over is happen. This experiment is the example for the incomplete dominance. Thank you for watching this video.